Good morning, friends. Today in 11th class mathematics, chapter 3 trigonometry functions, we are going to complete our exercise 3.3. Yesterday we solved till question number 21. Now today we are starting with question number 22. Question number 22 is to prove that cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot 3x cot x equal to 1. So first of all, taking left hand side, cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x. Okay, now what we can do, we can take cot 3x common from here. Okay, so cot x cot 2x minus cot 3x common, so we get cot 2x plus cot x. Okay, cot x cot 2x minus cot. I can write 3x as 2x plus x and use the formula of cot x cot a plus b. Okay, and cot 2x plus cot x as it is. Okay, now what is the formula of cot x plus y? Its formula is 1 minus cot x cot y divided by cot y plus cot x. Okay, so we use this formula here. So what we get is cot x into cot 2x as it is minus 1 minus cot 2x into cot x divided by cot 2x plus cot x. Okay, sorry, the formula of cot x plus y is cot x into cot y minus 1, means 1 you have to subtract from it. Sorry for that, so minus 1 will be here. Okay, other is same into cot 2x plus cot x. Okay, now cot 2x plus cot x cancel cot 2x plus cot x, so what we get is cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot x plus 1. We will multiply this minus sign inside, then we will get this. So it is cot 2x, this cancel this, so what we get 1, that is equal to our right hand side. Therefore left hand side, our left hand side is equal to our right hand side. Now if our left hand side is equal to our right hand side, so hence our question is proved. Okay, understood. Now if you have any problem you can ask. Okay, now our next question, question number 23. Tangent 4x is equal to 4 tangent x into 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 minus x tangent square x plus tangent power 4x. This we have to prove. So first of all, taking left hand side, you get tangent 4x. Now I can write tangent 4x as tangent of 2 into 2x. Okay, now we know the formula of tangent to x. Tangent to theta, we can say theta is any angle. Tangent to theta is equal to 2 tangent theta divided by 1 minus tangent square theta. And in this question 2x is equal to theta. Okay, means at place of theta we can put 2x. So what we get is equal to, it will be equal to 2 tangent 2x divided by 1 minus tangent square 2x. Now again we will use the formula of tangent to, okay, 2 theta, that we know, that is tangent 2 theta is equal to 2 tangent theta by 1 minus tangent square theta. Okay, so we'll now tangent to theta is here as well as here. We will use at both places. So we get 2 into 2 tangent theta by 1 minus tangent square theta divided by 1 minus 2 tangent theta by 1 minus tangent square theta. It is tangent to theta. Now it's whole square. Okay, now what we get is 4 tangent theta by 1 minus tangent square theta all divided by 1 minus tangent square theta whole square. We have taken LCM. Our LCM will be 1 minus tangent square theta whole square minus 2 tangent theta whole square. Okay, now here our theta is equal to our x. Okay, so at every place now we can use x. So what we get, or just simply in place of these two steps, as at every place you can replace by x. Okay, x. Okay, now this is our denominator, it is our numerator. Okay, now if we will multiply this denominator with it, we have to do its reciprocal. So what we will get, 2 tangent x by 1 minus tangent square x into 1 minus tangent square x whole square by 1 minus tangent square x whole square minus 2 tangent x whole square. Okay, now 1 minus tangent square x cancel this square. So what we get, 4 tangent x into 1 minus tangent square x by 1 minus tangent square x whole square minus 2 tangent x whole square. Now look, our numerator is same. Now just we have to modify our denominator, that is 4 tangent x into 1 minus tangent square x. That is, now we will open this square and this square also. So we will get 1 plus tangent 4x minus 2 tangent square x minus 4 tangent square x. So this will get 4 tangent x into 1 minus tangent square x all divided by 1 plus tangent 4x minus 2 tangent square x minus 2 4 minus 2 tangent square x minus 4 tangent square x is minus 6 tangent square x minus 6 tangent square x, and that is equal to our RHS. Therefore left hand side is equal to our right hand side, hence proved. Okay, now understood this question. Now our question number 24. Where is the question? 24, that is cos 4x we have to prove equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. Okay, again in this what we will do, we will write 4x as 2 into 2x. Okay, so taking left hand side, cos of 4x is equal to cos of 2 into 2x. Again we use the formula cos 2 theta, again we can say. Now cos 2 theta is equal to, now there are 4 formulas. Okay, which one formula you will opt, means which one formula will you choose? First thing you look here is 1 minus something, and we have a formula of cos 2 theta such that 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This formula, this our result is somewhat in this form, so we can use this formula. So at every place of theta we use here theta is equal to 2x. Okay, again at every place of theta we use 2x. So what we will get is cos 2 into 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Now we have sin 2x, and what is the formula of sin 2x? Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Okay, so in place of sin 2x we will use this formula. So what we get, cos 4x equal to 1 minus 2 into 2 sin x cos x whole square. Understood? Now what we can do, we will just open the square. So cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 2 into square of 2 is 4, then sin square x into cos square x. So we multiply 2 inside, then what we will get, 1 cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x, that is equal to our RHS. It is our left hand side, it is our right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Okay, now last question of this exercise, question number 25, that is cos 6x is equal to 32 cos 6x minus 48 cos 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Okay, now in this we can write 6x as 3 into 2x. Okay, so taking left hand side, cos 6x is equal to cos of 3 into 2x. Now in this we will use the formula of cos 3x, cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta is equal to what? It is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, and here theta is equal to 2x. Again, so we will write cos 3 into 2x is equal to 4 times cos cube of 2x minus 3 cos 2x. Okay, now you can see that we require whole of our result in form of cos. So we will use that formula of cos to 2x here, in which we are getting cos x. Okay, what is that? That is cos. This is our formula. It is again our formula. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. This formula you can replace at every place of cos 2x. So what we will get is cos 3 into 2x is equal to 4 times 2 cos square x minus 1 whole cube minus 3 times 2 cos square x minus 1. Now we will open the cube. So what we will get? Cos 6x is equal to 4 times 8 cos 6x minus 1 minus 4 cos 4x plus 12, because what is the formula of cos cube? A plus, or it is our a minus, we can say it is a, it is our b, so use the formula of a minus b whole cube. That will be a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. It will be 6 cos 4x. Okay, minus, we will just multiply and we will get minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Now we can multiply 4 inside the bracket, so we will get 32 cos 6x minus 4 minus 48 cos 4x plus 24 cos square x. It will be cos square x. Okay, 24 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Cos 6, cos power 6, cos x with power 6, no other function, so we write it as it is, 32 cos minus 4 plus 3 means minus 1 minus 48 cos 4x as it is, because there is no trigonometry, no cos function with power 4, so it will be as it is. Now plus 24 cos square x minus 6 cos square x is 18 cos square x, so cos 6x becomes this. Now you can see that this is only our right hand side, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Okay, I hope that you have understood all the questions of this exercise, and you must complete this exercise by today in your pair notebooks, and tomorrow we'll start next topic, that is trigonometric equations. In this we'll study about general solutions and principal solutions. Okay, thank you.